Hello and welcome to the Sharp Psych. One of the most precious things we have is our time. Sometimes this precious gift slips through our fingers and we don't know how to use it. That's why we need to learn to appreciate the free time we have and learn to use it wisely. But it can be difficult to find enjoyable activities that help us improve. So in this video, we will explore the best things to do and how you can make the most of it. But first, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you get notified of any new video that could help you. Also, check out the links in the descriptions for my best recommendations. Now, let's get into it. Studies have shown that it is essential for maintaining a healthy balance of life. We need time to rest, relax, and rejuvenate after a long day or week. Our free time also allows us to pursue hobbies and interests that we may not have had the opportunity to enjoy otherwise. Additionally, free time can help us develop skills and interests. Some other research explain that having free time can help us become more productive in our everyday life. It provides us with the chance to reflect, identify our objectives, and make plans on how to achieve them. And when your mind and body are relaxed, you can be more productive with your work. This can lead to greater success in your professional and personal life. It also helps us to stay fit and healthy as we can use the time to exercise, meditate, or engage in leisure activities. Additionally, it can provide a much-needed break from our daily routines, giving us the chance to take a step back and gain perspective. This can lead to increased creativity. Doing activities that require you to think outside the box can help to stimulate creativity and give you a new perspective on life. Another great benefit is developing better relationships. Spending quality time with family and friends can help to strengthen relationships and make them more meaningful. Finally, having free time can help you improve your mental health. Taking the time to do things that bring you joy can reduce stress, improve your mood, and help you to feel more relaxed and centered. Also, it allows us to spend time with friends and family, which helps us to relax and unwind. This means that when you make the most of your time, it can have a positive effect on your life. So how can we do that? To make the most of your free time, there are a few tips that you can follow. First, make a plan. If you don't know what you're aiming for, how can you get there? That's why making a plan for how you want to spend your free time will help you to stay focused and make sure you're making progress. The second thing is to prioritize self-care. This means taking time for yourself and doing things that make you feel relaxed and bring joy to you, not for someone else. Another tip that can change how you see your free time is to find activities that challenge you. The reason for that is this type of activity can help you grow. A few suggestions are learning a new language, taking up a new hobby, or trying something new. The fourth thing is to make time for friends and family. Try to spend time with those you care about. You can do that easily by planning a movie night, a game night, or even just having a conversation without everyone's faces pasted to their smartphones. Which takes us to the next suggestion, which is unplug. Believe me, you're not going to miss anything if you don't check out social media every few minutes. So my advice is to disconnect from technology and social media for a few hours and use that time to focus on yourself. Let's make this our motto: disconnect to connect. Finally, you can explore new places. I'm sure you heard of the benefits of getting out of your comfort zone. You can do that by looking for new places, which could include going for a walk in the forest, visiting a museum, or going on a day trip. Now, I realize that when we're feeling bored, it can be difficult to find something to do. That's why we would like to suggest the following activities that can be enjoyable and don't require a lot of effort. We will divide these activities into educational and pure entertainment purposes. Let's look at the educational side. The first thing anyone can do is read a book. Books can be a great way to escape reality and explore a new world, especially when we're talking about great novels. Another thing you can do is play a board game, which would be a great way to spend time with friends and family. When it comes to games to play alone, puzzles would be a choice to challenge your mind and focus. The next thing I would recommend is to find a new hobby. It could be anything from learning a new language, trying out a new recipe, learning to play an instrument, or try out a new activity such as rock climbing or dancing. This can help keep your mind active and give you something to look forward to. Also, finding something new gets you out of your comfort zone. You can also volunteer. Helping people in need can help to give you a sense of purpose and make a positive difference in the world. Finally, you can write a journal. This is a great activity because it offers a variety of mental, emotional, and physical benefits. Regular journaling can help you process your thoughts and feelings, develop creative problem-solving skills, and gain greater self-awareness. It can also help you manage stress, boost your memory and focus, and develop a healthier sense of self-worth. Additionally, writing a journal can give you a sense of accomplishment and provide you with a better understanding of yourself and your life. Now, let's look at the entertainment side. Going for a walk outside is a great way to get some fresh air and clear your head. You can also take up a craft or hobby, such as knitting, coloring, or painting. Or you can also watch a movie, listen to music. Whatever you choose to do, the most important thing is to have fun and relax. Exploring your interests and hobbies can be a great way to make the most of your free time. Here are some tips that can help you. First, try to find things that interest you and that you enjoy doing. This could be anything from playing a sport to baking or painting. Second, if you have existing hobbies, make time for them. Make time to pursue your hobbies and do activities that you enjoy. If you don't know where to start or you don't think you have any hobbies, I would suggest trying something new. You can find something that you think you will enjoy and start learning it. This can help you break up the monotony and give you a new perspective. Also, you can take a class to improve an aspect of your life. This will allow you to pick up a new skill and give you something to look forward to. Finally, for collective activities, you can join a club. It could be a good chance to get you out of your comfort zone and give you a chance to meet new people. If you're excited to try some of the suggestions we talked about but think you can't as you have a busy schedule, here are some strategies for finding time for fun activities. First, prioritize. This means deciding which things that are important to you and making sure to make time for them. The second thing is to schedule a specific time to do the things you enjoy and make sure to follow through with it. Another tip is to get creative, which means being fluid in how you use your free time. This could include taking short breaks throughout the day to do something fun. In addition, make sure to take it slow. We all get excited the first few days and we want to try as many new things as possible. But reality proved that doing too much at once will result in dropping everything soon. Instead, take it slow and focus on just a few activities. Making the most of your free time is important for your mental health and overall well-being. So whether you're looking for activities to do when you're bored or exploring your interests and hobbies, there are plenty of things you can do to make the most of it. Hopefully, by following the tips outlined in this video, you can unlock your happiness and make the most of your free time. In the end, please let us know in the comment section below what is your favorite thing to do in your free time. I would love to learn about more options that can be done in our free time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.